Hi, I'm John Larson from Sound Connection. Thank you for taking the time to click on the QR code to come see us and learn a little bit more about us. We've been in business since 1995. We have 3 locations: Brainerd, Minnesota, Wake Park, Minnesota, and now in Hudson, Wisconsin. We are a mobile electronics facility. We specialize in remote starters, car stereos, and vehicle accessories. For remote starters, we offer anything from your basic one-way starter all the way up to a 3-mile, 2-way LCD with cell phone integration. We also offer heated seats. If you have purchased a vehicle that does not have heated seats, we can install those for you, as well as WeatherTech floor mats now that winter is coming up. When summer comes around, we switch over to a little bit more fun things. We do motorcycle stereos, especially Harley-Davidsons. We do about 500 Harley-Davidsons per year throughout 7 rallies in the country, and we are even Rockford Fosgate's preferred installation partner during Sturgis. We do a lot of UTVs. We'll do full stereo systems as well as lighted LED whips, new headlights, underbody lighting, pretty much whatever you want. And of course boats. Anything from fishing boats, pontoon boats, or surf boats, or even bigger. If you're looking for a full stereo system, some LED lighting on it, or anything else that you can think of, we're your guys for that as well. Now, since you have taken the time and visited us and checked out this QR code link, we'd like to offer you a $15 discount on any remote starter that you're looking for. Just use code DM1023 if you're checking out on our website, or when you're talking to one of our product specialists, tell them the code and they'll give you $15 off any remote start. At the same time, if you'd like to get some WeatherTech floor mats, use that same code and you get $10 off WeatherTech floor mats. Thank you for taking the time to check this out. I really appreciate it, and we hope to see you soon. Have a great day.